Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on the front side and the rear side of your Audi A3 or A3 Sportback. The first step is we are standing in front of the vehicle, and the best thing is, of course, we get into maintenance position of the wipers, and then it's much easier to replace them. On the top of the blades, there is the mechanism behind this. And here you can see a button. This button you have to push. And while you are pushing the button, you have to slide the blade upwards. Okay? But take care. Position your fingers around the arm of the blades, because protect your glasses, your front glasses, and then pull it out. Do not lift up like here, because this is dangerous. If this snaps back, it will break your front shield. That's not the best way to do that. The best thing is a glove under it or lay it flat on the glass. Okay, take a new one. This is the opposite array. You see there is a button on the new blade, and this is the direction you have to slide it back in position. So lift up the blade arm a little bit and slide the entire blade back into position until it is locked. Job's done. That is the left. The right, we are going to perform the same. The right wiper blade is a little bit smaller than the driver's side blade, okay? It's the same process, as you can see. Get it out and then take it back into position. And then we have a new set of blade installed. Next step is go to the rear side. At the trunk, if you have a Sportback version, you can see there is one wiper blade. This we're going to replace a little bit different than the front side blades, because this is only a lock system here. So lift it up for a better handling. And then take your, if you have two hands, take two hands to remove it by pushing it to the side. There we are. Maybe you have to do this with two fingers or two hands, and then you slide it out and job's done. Of course, there we have to take care of our rear glasses too, so let it not smash into the glass. Take the new one, and you can see right and left there are nipples a little bit, and these nipples are the lock system. So you back pushing this blade into position and job's done. Take care, do not push directly on the blade, right and left time there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.